Some people in Group 3 of the vaccine rollout will soon be eligible for a shot. Starting on February 24th, educators and child care workers can get their vaccine.
240,000 people of teachers and staff are in this subgroup alone, and that's why Governor Roy Cooper says we must move into this slowly.
Essential workers are just that, essential. They have worked throughout this pandemic. And we know that educators can continue to work safely even before the vaccine being administered, as long as schools follow state health guidance.
Well, here is a closer look at who will be eligible to get vaccinated starting on February 24th, 2 weeks from today. The list is long, so here are some of the bullet points. It's anyone working in childcare or in pre-K to 12 schools, public and private. This includes teachers, bus drivers, custodians, food service workers, librarians, and more. Again, these are just the first people eligible in Group 3. Today's announcement comes after Governor Roy Cooper recently said he wants all students back in the classroom.
The state will open vaccinations to all essential workers in Group 3 on March 10th. This includes firefighters, law enforcement, and grocery store workers. You can find the full breakdown on our website.
The Guilford County Association of Educators held a virtual press conference after the governor made his announcement. It says it is encouraged by the news that teachers will soon be eligible to get vaccinated, but more still needs to be done.
This fight for safe reopening is not over. Keeping up our safety measures in schools is going to be a whole community project through the end of this school year and almost certainly into August and next school year as well.
In order for staff and students to have a successful return, the group says schools must follow the 3 W's, include teachers in the discussion, and add more resources.
We are getting a first look inside Guilford County's newest vaccine location.
Plus, we know more tonight about Walgreens now offering vaccinations and how many doses the stores will be getting.
WFMY News 2's Grace Holland begins our vaccine coverage tonight.
Registration tables, rows of chairs, and social distancing stickers. Another coronavirus vaccine clinic is set to open in Greensboro, this time at A&T State University.
This initial outlay will be 200 doses, and we chose this on purpose to establish the fact that we could deliver a certain number of vaccines every 15 minutes.
University Health Director Dr. Robert Doolittle says he hopes to double that capacity as the clinic goes on.
A&T staff and students who qualify for vaccines under the state's plan will be able to come here to the Alumni Foundation Event Center for their shots. Cone Health will help with the clinic.
Dr. Doolittle also says people from outside of campus will be able to get their shots at the clinic too.
Southeast Greensboro is a relative desert in terms of medical care practice sites, so places vaccines could be administered.
We know how important it is for people to be able to have a location that they are comfortable with.
Guilford County Emergency Management Director Don Campbell says the county is also partnering with NCA&T for the clinic, but it's not the only new vaccine clinic coming to the area. County Public Health Director Dr. Yulia Van says Walgreens will start vaccinations at 19 Guilford County stores Friday.
Going forward, there will be an additional provider in our community that will distribute those vaccines.
Dr. Van says 12 of those sites will be in Greensboro, 4 will be in High Point. Vaccine seekers can find the exact locations when registering on Walgreens' website. In Greensboro, Grace Holland, WFMY News 2.